Great day, teachers! My name is Pocholo De Leon Gonzalez, also known as the Voice Master of the Philippines. If you're a teacher, you need to hear this because your work depends on this. We're talking about your voice and how you need to take good care of it. Teachers are in a unique situation more than most professions. You rely on your voice for work. Without your voice, it's impossible to teach. Sadly, I know some teachers who had to give up teaching because of their voice problems. In a survey done among primary school teachers in Philippines in 2011, about 65% of teachers have had to go on sick leave every year because of a voice problem. And 9% of those teachers had to take longer than 6 days of leave. There's a good chance that the 9% of chronic voice problems, the surprising thing is that very few, about 1% of these teachers, went to an ENT specialist to see if there was anything physically wrong with their voices, and none of them went to a speech and voice therapist. Every teacher I've known or every teacher I've met knows someone in their school who has voice difficulties. Again, take two. Every teacher I've met knows someone in their take three. Every every teacher I've known take four. Every teacher I've met knows someone in their school who has voice difficulties, whose voice gets worse through the day, who's always carrying a bottle of herbal tea and constantly uses a voice. All teachers All teachers acknowledge that they need to learn how to care for their voice, but few know how to do it. Teachers also know that attending voice workshops can go a long way in helping you preserve your voice, yet resources can be sketchy and good voice training can be hard to find. The good news is, studies have shown that it's possible to prevent many of these voice disorders primarily through two ways. Number one, by understanding how to care for your voice and how to identify problems early. Number two, by learning good vocal technique. Number one, vocal hygiene. One of the best ways to prevent voice problem is to observe vocal hygiene. Hygiene is basically any activity you do maintain health or to maintain health or to prevent disease. In this case, your voice health.